Let's take a look at a classic Jon Renau Pixie called Allure coming up. I purchased this wig with my own funds. You can find it at Wig Studio One. If you drop below this video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link there. If you click on that link, it'll take you out to the site where you can explore the colors and the pricing of this style. If you have any questions, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit the private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Again, all of those links are below the video in the description box. So let's get started on our featured wig style today. This again is Jon Renau's Allure in the color 17101, which they are naming Irish Cream. Now I'm holding up this box for a reason. See how tiny it is? It's just a little square. So much tinier than a lot of the other wig boxes, and it's red, right? So this would indicate that this is a part of the classic collection by Jon Renau. And there is the tag. So I just wanted to point that out, that the classic collection does come in this little red box. There are several pieces in that collection, and most of those pieces are going to be the styles that some of them are probably original to Jon Renau. They've stood the test of time. They sell and sell and sell. They're typically available in a variety of colors and sizes, which is the case with Allure. And it comes in 3 different sizes. So you're going to see one in petite, average, and large. Isn't that amazing? And also, I counted 70 color options, 70 color options. When and where do we ever get that much variety? And again, in their classic collection, again, these styles have stood the test of time, so they've expanded the options available on it. And this is a really cute wearable pixie. It features a traditional machine-made cap, so you're not going to find any lace or monofilament. That typically would keep the price tag down and more affordable for a lot of you. So this is one of those, what I call plug and chug kind of wigs. You plug it on and you chug out the door. It's perfect every single time. You have to love volume. So let's get into the specs here a little bit. So about 3 to 3.5 here on the bang area. About a 4.5 inch crown, which I love. At least a 4-inch crown that gives a nice little bump in profile, and that tapers down into about a 2-inch nape. So it's very lightweight. It weighs just under 3 ounces or about 3 ounces. It's barely perceptible on my head right now. But let's talk about this color, because a 17101 isn't a strange color code, is it? We see a lot of this in very, very ashy blonde colors in a lot of different brands. And Jon Renau has an FS 17101 S18, which is, ding, 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 that's Palm Springs blonde, which is another very cool light blonde. This one is called Irish Cream. It is not rooted. It is a medium ash blonde with some ash platinum highlighting, a 17101. So it's ash on ash, and it's very cool. I'm not seeing any warmth in this at all, but it is very dimensional. And the highlights are kind of chunky in certain places, and that just gives it a beautiful brightness, I think. So this style is wavy, actually. So you see that I've kind of pulled it back away from the face here a little bit. So all you have to do is sort of rake to bring through that texture of this waviness. It tends to stay put where you put it. So if I'm moving it around, I can generally get it to stay there. This is a very impressionable fiber. This is a regular synthetic, not heat friendly. Now let's talk permatease and volume. There's a lot of permatease on Allure. You're going to find permatease, the soft pillowy kind, all throughout the top, at the crown, which I love, a little bit of height there at the crown, but really none at the back and nape or around the ear tab. So it's more of a sculpted look. I would love to hear from you if you have an Allure or have tried Allure by Jon Renau. beautifully with glasses. The glasses fit nicely and neatly between the ear and the ear tab, and it feels very secure and comfortable. So A+ for being a glasses friendly style. A lot of Pixies are. So we're just going to move this around just so that I can show you how impressionable this is. I love this style because you can take it from a very mature look into something that's a little more youthful and casual. Whatever you want to be, I think you can make this style fit your personality. Thank you so much for joining me today. We'll see you soon right here at TAZS Wig Closet.